This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 25 minutes ago, so we are going to review crude oil here and natty gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old crude oil, your daily chart. Now, today, what we had a little bit lower low and a lower high, and she tried to get through the 21-day and nothing. Okay, so the downside, what you want to do is look at this key level. That's 79.05. Okay, it's the same as the bottom of this level here. See that? Okay, now if that's lost, then we want to look to the bottom of this candle right here. You're looking at 78.69. And then what we do is we look at the top of this candle because that was a breakout candle, and that is sitting at 77.33. Right below that, you have your 200-day sitting at 76.65, and then we have 75.53 here, your 50 SMA, and then you have your Hondo, sitting right at 75.18. Now, the key is going to be this candle right here, this 79.05. If that's lost here, this is going to get hit real quick, and this is going to hit real quick, and you're going to come right down to that 200-day very, very easily. Now, look at this. See this? How this 8-day is rolling over. Now, when the futures open here at 6 o'clock, if this keeps on rolling here, which it's going to, is going to be very close to breaking right through that 21-day, and this is a bearish sign. That's exactly what happened here. Always look to the past. Okay, where it came down here, bear flag into it, nothing. Down, bear flag into it, nothing. Down. And then rally on up here, okay? So what you have to do on the upside, this really needs to reclaim this 21. I mean, if you're going to go higher, ASAP it. I mean, that's 80.79. If you get above, we looked at the top of that candle there, looking at 81.43, and then you have 81.98 on your 8 SMA, which is not going to be there that high that tonight once those futures open up. But if you can get above, then we just hit this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 82.91 here. You're looking at 83.20, and then we come to this candle here because this is the critical one, 83.53. Then we look to this candle here, 83.81. You have 84.65, and then your big retest up here is 84.89. But this is looking very bearish pattern right here. Now, I pointed this out, I don't know how many videos ago here, this negative divergence. Always watch that RSI, the MACD. Now we have the crossover here. The green is below the red. Not good, okay? This just looks like it wants to go lower unless you get some kind of a catalyst that's going to break it up. But if you want to go higher, you have to close above your 21 and you have to close above your 8-day to negate this bearish pattern that's going on right now. All right, let's take a look at a weekly and a monthly. Okay, well, you're only half the month here, so actually it's still looking pretty good. You're above your 100, your 50, your 200-day, and your key 8 SMA. That 8 SMA now is going to be very key support sitting at 76.02. If that's lost, you're going to come right down to that 200 very quick. On the upside, there it is again, that 83.53, and then if you get above, then you're looking at the 86.11, your 21 SMA here. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, you know, you can see where basically you double topped. The high on that was 83.53. You went higher on this here, but you look at it here for the week, you just couldn't hold it. Now, this red candle here is below last week's candle. So unless it can close back above here, you're going to be lower here. So watch this key 50 SMA here. Okay, 78.12. And then watch your 8 SMA here, 77.85. And right below it is 75.51. Now, if this 8-day rolls back around here, this is going to get ugly, and you're going to come right down to this retest here at 68.35. Okay, so the key levels here is watch the 50, the 8, this 21-day. That's lost. Bam, down she comes. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, now we're looking at an hourly chart here. Actually, no, the natty gas here, you put in a low here of 2.56, and then we've got a higher low here sitting at 2.57. So right now, that's a very nice double bottom pattern, okay? Right here, okay, you got a bullish flag. So let's see if it plays out. If it doesn't, then you're going to retest this 257 and then 256, and then you could come lower all the way down here to this 245. But right now, it's still looking very, very good with this nice double bottom pattern, and then we have a bull flag going on here. Now, what you want to watch on the upside is watch this 50-day 2.62, watch this 8 SMA 2.63, and then we have your big retest up here 2.67, your Hondo 2.7, and then 2.75 is your 200 SMA here. Okay, now here on your 4-hour chart, you're still looking good. As long as you hold that key 256 here, you're looking good. But watch this 8 SMA here, sitting at 260. That's going to be key, and then we can rally up. We might hit this 200 and maybe even this whole resistance level. Once you got the 200, 100, the 21 day, if you break through that, then you got 275, 286 is your retest. All right, let's take a look here on a daily. All right, here we got a daily chart, all stretched straight on out here. So what you want to do here is you want to look at this 50 SMA here, sitting at 2.62. That's going to be key. If you can get above, then we have your 21 SMA, 2.68, and then we have your 8 SMA, 2.75, and then we can come up to this level right here. Okay, you're looking at 2.867. Your big key is going to be this little candle right here at 2.87. Close above that, then you got a shot back here at this 2.99, and then basically your retest sitting at 3.018. On the downside here, you just got to watch yesterday's candle. Okay, so you're sitting at 2.568. If that is lost, then what we do is we just come right down to the candles here. You got 2.52, you got 2.47, and then you have your retest there at 2.45. So right now, not really a whole lot of anything happening here. It's just kind of a sideways action here. But you do have an inside day. It's a green candle inside day. So let's just see if it can rally up and maybe possibly get through those SMAs and maybe get the retest on that. Now remember, this is the good time of the year here for this here coming up. This is Natty Gas's time right now. So you just want to keep this all in mind here. You got this hurricane season here so far. Nothing's developed here. But then you got the, if it's going to be a cold winter. So don't get too complacent either way. I mean, for me, it's just basically the same old thing. The scalps. I scalped a boil there today. I got 2.5 points. That was not too bad. So, just do that until we can get some kind of a breakout. Because if you can break out above 301, then there's your target right there. Okay, sitting at 3.33. All right, I'll have more for you on crude oil and natty gas before 8 o'clock tomorrow. And thanks for watching.